was resilient when I was playing my first year of kid pitch and on the first year of coach pitch and threw the ball and I missed it, and then on strike 3 I got a double.
Wow. How'd that make you feel, Taven?
Good. I was resilient when I was at Disneyland because when I was on Space Mountain, I kept on wanting to quit out, but then I faced my fears and did it.
Good for you. It can be scary, huh? And it's especially like people are saying, come on, do it, do it. Yeah, it can be tough.
Space Mountain is pretty scary. I showed resilience when I was skiing because I always would slip off the ice and fall down.
Oh, yeah.
So I don't really ski without. Well, on my own, I just usually use those things at home. But I was like, why? I need to show my resilience.
Okay, so you're going to keep going for it till you've got it, Sam? Good for you.
I was resilient when it was my last game of my first season of basketball last year. And I had the ball, and I was running towards the hoop, and then I was ready to shoot, but there was this really tall guy guarding me, and I'm like, I'm not gonna fail. I believe in myself. And then I shot the hoop. The guy missed the ball, and then I made it.
Oh my goodness, how did that feel?
It felt really good, and I thought I wasn't gonna make it, and that was my second goal hoop in one game, so I was pretty proud.
Good for you, buddy.
I showed resiliency when I was learning how to snowboard, and I got up to a hard level 5 in just one day since level 1 was too easy.
Was there ever a time you felt like quitting?
Oh yeah, definitely. I felt like quitting the first time I tried it since I fell on my face and did the scorpion.
Oh, so what helped you to get back up?
My teacher just said, you can do this, keep on going, and it'll be better the more you try.
And how do you feel about it now?
Good. On the 16th, I'm going to Washington to take another class.
Awesome. How fun. All right, let's give everybody a round of applause for being so resilient.